welcome to the class. Okay, let me ask what we learned in the previous class. Okay, we had learned simple future tense. Okay, let me ask for what we use simple future tense. Yes, if you want to say something expected in the future time, so we can use simple future tense. Clear? Then how to use or how to form simple future tense? Subject plus will or shall plus root form of the verb. Then we will get simple future tense. Okay. Okay, let's children, now we can do the exercise. All of you take your textbook, page number 52, lesson number 19. Okay. Exercise number A. Rewrite as shown in the example. One example is given there. You can see there in your textbook. They dig a well in the village. They dig a well in the village. So that is in they dig a well in the village. That sentence is given in simple present tense. Okay. Then asking you to change into simple future tense. See, it's very simple. Just in last class we had learned they will dig a well in the village. So before verb we have to use will. Clear? Next one. I go to school. I go to a movie on Sunday. I go to a movie on Sunday. Asking you to change into simple future tense. I will go to a movie on Sunday. Next one, exercise number 3. The milkman comes at 7 a.m. A milkman will come at 7 a.m. Will comes, no, will come, will come. Okay, the milkman will come at 7 a.m. So here in simple future tense, I already explained you, we have to use root form. So comes is not a root form, come. So will come. Clear? Then fourth one, Shama rides a bicycle in the evening. Here also we have to make some changes here. Shama will not rides, ride. Shama will ride a bicycle in the evening. Okay? See, be careful when you do this exercise. Ride. Shama will drive a bicycle in the evening. Next one, exercise number B. Some root verbs are given in below. Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of these verbs to complete the sentences. So, some verbs are given there. Root verbs are given there. Then asking you to write future tense. Simple future tense. Soon we dash to use the computer. Soon we will learn to use the computer. Learn to use the computer. Soon we will learn to use the computer. Next one. My brother dash a kite for me. And a brother, yes, endana my brother dash a kite for me. Enikku vendi endundaki? Yes, a kite for me. My brother, yes, will make a kite for me. Enikku vendi എൻ്റെ ബ്രദർ ഒരു കൈറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കും. My brother will make a kite for me. Next one. He dash his shop at 10 p.m. He will അവൻ്റെ ഷോപ്പ് എത്ര മണിക്ക് അടയ്ക്കും? He will close shop at 10 p.m. Okay. Next one, fourth one. My father dash the principal tomorrow. എൻ്റെ അച്ഛൻ പ്രിൻസിപ്പളിനെ നാളെ കാണും. So will meet the principal tomorrow. Okay. Next one. I dash well for the exams. I will prepare well for the exams. I will prepare. All of us dash part in the competition. All of us will take part in the competition. Seventh one. Don't tease the dog. It dash you. It will bite you. Okay. They dash a house here next year. They will build a house here next year. Okay children, when you write this exercise, you just remember all those things what we had learned in previous class. Okay. So if you want to say something about the future, we can use simple future tense. Simple future tense form is subject, will or shall plus root form of the verb plus object. Okay. So this is very simple. We can, if you learn these things very clearly, we can speak very easily. Okay. I hope you will do this homework at home, this exercise at home. Then see you in the next class. Bye.